Sri Rama's birth marks the arrival of righteousness on earth, a divine blessing that inspires hope, courage, and devotion across generations. Long ago, in the fertile kingdom of Koshala, the city of Ayodhya shone like a jewel. Golden palaces reflected the sun, wide streets bustled with traders, fragrant spices filled the air, and colorful fabrics swayed in the marketplace. Temple bells chimed melodiously alongside the songs of children and chants of devotees. At its heart ruled King Dasharatha, wise, valiant, and compassionate. Despite his love for his three queens, Kaushalya, draped in deep red silk with intricate gold jewelry, Kaikeyi, in royal blue with elegant ornaments, and Sumitra, golden yellow sari with subtle jewelry, he longed for an heir. The absence of a child weighed on him like a silent shadow, clouding the brilliance of his golden halls. Kaushalya radiated kindness, Kaikeyi embodied determination, and Sumitra brought serenity. Yet none bore a child. Years earlier, Dasharatha accidentally struck Shravankumar, who carried his blind parents on a pilgrimage. The parents cursed him, foretelling the grief he would endure losing his own son. This haunting memory intensified his longing, making every celebration bittersweet. Seeking solace, Dasharatha consulted sage Vasishtha, the royal guru known for wisdom in dharma and governance. The sage advised a sacred ghee, a ritual offering prayers and gifts into a holy fire, asking for divine blessings. The king prepared meticulously, ensuring every ceremonial detail was perfect. Priests, sacred fire, and offerings reflected the sincerity of his heart. To maximize the ghee's power, Dasharatha invited Rishabhringa, a young sage famed for his purity and spiritual energy. Raised in isolation, untouched by worldly distractions, he radiated serenity. When he arrived in Ayodhya, the city celebrated with flowers, garlands, and music. Citizens felt a wave of hope and devotion, sensing that the ghee was divinely blessed. The day of the ghee arrived. Priests chanted sacred Vedic hymns as ghee, grains, and fragrant herbs were offered into flames leaping skyward, connecting heaven and earth. The king and queens knelt near the fire, Kaushalya in red, Kaikeyi in blue, Sumitra in yellow, eyes closed, hearts full of hope. Citizens watched in awe, feeling the spiritual energy permeate the air. At the ceremony's peak, a radiant figure emerged from the fire, holding a golden bowl of kheer. Kaushalya received the first portion, Kaikeyi the second, and Sumitra 2 portions. Suddenly, a mischievous bird swooped, snatching Kaikeyi's kheer mid-air. Shocked, Kaikeyi froze, but Kaushalya immediately offered her own portion, sharing her blessed kheer with love. Kaikeyi gratefully accepted, understanding that divine plans often work through acts of compassion. This moment reminded all that blessings are strengthened when shared. Soon after the yajna, the queens gave birth to 4 extraordinary sons, Rama, Bharat, and twins Lakshmana and Shatrughan. Rama's birth at midday on the 9th day of Chaitra symbolized light at its peak, heralding the triumph of dharma. Joy overflowed in Ayodhya, citizens celebrated with flowers, music, and heartfelt prayers. Lakshmana and Shatrughna bonded with their elder brothers, forming inseparable relationships destined for greatness. Powered by boons, ruled with arrogance and oppression. Even as a child, Rama displayed wisdom, courage, and compassion. Sages foresaw his trials, exile, battles, and the eventual triumph of good over evil. Yet, his unwavering virtue and devotion to truth guided him. His birth symbolized hope, courage, and divine justice, a beacon for humanity. Ayodhya erupted in celebration. Streets were draped with marigold and jasmine garlands, temple bells rung, musicians played drums, flutes, and strings, while families prepared sweets. Children ran laughing, and citizens danced joyfully. Beyond the joy, the city felt a spiritual awakening. Priests declared the arrival of Dharma incarnate. Animals, flowers, and even the wind seemed to join in, filling Ayodhya with divine harmony. Ram Navami celebrates the triumph of truth and dharma. Rama's birth at midday symbolizes the peak of light, reminding humanity that virtue prevails. The kheer sharing incident reflects the deeper essence, compassion and selflessness. Rituals, prayers, and devotion reinforce moral guidance. Ram Navami is a call to act with integrity, serve others, and trust divine plans. Rama's story inspires millions today. It teaches that virtue, courage, and devotion transcend time. Ram Navami unites communities, strengthens family bonds, and preserves cultural heritage. Celebrating Rama's birth reminds humanity that challenges are temporary, goodness triumphs, and dharma guides life's journey. The divine light of Rama touches every heart, home, and soul, inspiring faith, hope, and joy for generations. Happy Ram Navami.